The HUINA 1594 RC Excavator Kit stands out with its professional design and distinctive white and orange colors, making it a unique addition to any collection. Crafted with practical metal alloy components, this excavator ensures stability and power for deeper and more challenging digging tasks. Featuring advanced technology, the excavator is equipped with a 22-channel 2.4 gigahertz radio remote control, LED lights, simulated sounds, and continuous turret rotation. The kit includes two powerful 7.4-volt 2000 milliampere-hour lithium-ion rechargeable batteries, providing up to 50 minutes of playtime per charge. Designed for construction vehicle enthusiasts, this excavator is perfect for both professionals and aspiring engineers looking to take on real-life building challenges. With a remote control range of up to 30 meters, the HUINA 1594 offers impressive mobility and ease of operation for users of all skill levels.